I feel like side hustle culture is going really strong right now. It's having its day for sure.
It is, especially like when I started working here. I've like talked to like a lot of our coworkers, and I realized that a lot of people here do have side hustles and stuff they do on the side. And it was very nice to like meet and talk to people that have different or like the same mindset.
Yeah.
Right. And are also like pursuing something on top of the regular 9 to 5.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. I think that was one of the things that kind of hooked me in at first because, like, I was telling a story a little earlier. Like, one of my coworkers at the time, his name was Michael. Like, he had his line running. He was making his money, showing me how to do stuff. And then I was like, oh, whoa, but you only have this. And he showed me his equipment, super basic setup. And I was like, wait, you make this much money with only spending this much on equipment and blah, 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 blah.
Did he stop working here because of his clothing brand?
Yeah. So his stuff took off. So the two guys who trained me really good. They were like my mentors, I guess, when I got here. Michael and Renee, big shout out, gentlemen. They both when they left the company, they left because their shops blew up.
Oh, wow.
So Renee, like I still refer a bunch of people to Renee because I do custom shirts on the side. That's my side hustle.
Yeah.
But when people want for like bulk jobs, they want screen print.
Okay.
So now, in addition to his heat press, Renee grew out of that. He has like screen print equipment, and then I send all my embroidery people to him.
Nice.
So I've sent him a bunch of embroidery jobs because now he has a full shop, full shop.
So it's like those you see like when we were at the Impressions booth.
Yeah.
Right, like you see like all the different stages and levels of like machines that like people level up to and everything.
Yeah, and I feel like for me, it's the dream. How do you feel about this? Like, is the dream still like, hey, work your side hustle till it becomes your main hustle?
For sure.
Okay,
Definitely.
okay,
Yeah. It was work a side hustle and not work a main
Just
job. Yeah, right? But like as I got older, I was like, okay,
Yeah.
definitely this needs to be a side hustle. And I am very ambitious. So like I want to keep it going and everything.
Yeah.
And it's like a passion project, right? It like
Yeah.
lets out your creativity and everything.
Yeah, exactly. And I love that point. I was just having this conversation with my wife the other day because she does like the charcuterie stuff.
Oh, okay. I made one this weekend actually. This past weekend.
How'd it go?
It was very good. I made
Was it your first one?
It was my second one.
Okay.
But I learned on YouTube. I made like a salami roast.
Nice.
So fun. Yeah.
So she started doing that during the pandemic, and her business actually started to take off, and then she got pregnant with my kid. Sorry, babe. But anyways, yeah. So, but we were talking, and she's like, "Man, I want to get back into it." She goes, because she's telling me, she goes, "I have like this creative energy, and I need to get it out." And it's funny because for me, I feel the exact same way about like shirts and music. Like even if I'm not making money with music, I'm still making music.
Yeah.
And it's funny, even if I'm not like, because right now my personal shirt brand, I haven't put a lot of energy into it since I became a pop. But like, I still make myself custom shirts all the time.
Yeah.
I feel like now it's just a new outlet. I feel like I have to be doing it. If I'm gonna be doing it, may as well make some money off of it, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's also like hard because like if you turn like a hobby into like a side hustle, then it becomes a job, and then you don't really want to do it as much anymore because it's like you have to do it instead of like just doing it whenever you feel like it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I feel like, so for me, my two main like creative outlets are like music and clothing, t-shirts.
Okay.
I feel like I'm more careful about preserving music as something I do for the pure joy of it.
Yeah.
T-shirts, whatever. What the heck? I'll be a sellout for t-shirts. Like I don't care. That's fine with me.
Yeah.
If t-shirts were my only creative outlet, maybe I'd be a little more protective. But I got other stuff going.
I feel the exact same way because like when I was doing music, like for TikTok, like full time and everything like that, it was just like it took the fun out of it. Like I wasn't as creative anymore. I was forcing it. It doesn't really come from the heart. Yeah. And like people can hear that, because it really is something that's just like you're sharing with the world. Whereas t-shirts, it's like I just got another sale.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Exactly.